This is the engineering pad here at Palmview High School. And what we do on this pad, we tell the students the shortest path to become or to get a bachelor in engineering. We have different concepts here, basic concept of sketching on the computers. We do SolidWorks. We have certifications in SolidWorks. We also do programming, a lot of programming with different languages. We use C++ and Java. We use scripts and blocks. We also do a lot of electronics and electric circuits. All the classes that we teach in here, we give them a little exposure to the 21st century skills, soft skills that they need, communication, a lot of communication, how to become a leader. They also learn how to be a good team member in working groups. Besides learning a lot of techniques that we use on the real world, they're also going to have a lot of fun doing robotics, playing with controllers and sketching on the computers.
My overall experience of being in this class is that I've learned a lot of things, just like how coding, more like breadboards and all those things. And I've learned a lot along the way. A lot of things that I've learned was coding and SolidWorks. SolidWorks was a big part of this. A lot of big jobs today that need, especially technology and all those things. I feel like it's a lot of possibilities around here. I think a lot of jobs do need that, especially like cars and more like oil fields, all those things. And you can also have a lot of job opportunities that have really good money worth.
I invite all the students that are interested in an engineering career, come and join here in Palmview High School to the engineering pathway. We're gonna have a lot of hands-on experience and a lot of fun in competitions like robotics, learning some soft skills too.